when you should not charge for photography. I'm Yeager and welcome back to the channel. The only reason that I really have to shave over the last year and a half is so I can talk to you and talk a little bit of business with you. You're gonna hear a whole lot of people break this topic down on when to charge photos and not charge photos. What I am trying to do is be those people, but give you a little bit of strategy that goes along with the plan on when to charge and not charge for photos. Number one, right off the bat, if you get into a situation where every time you pick up your camera to take photos is gonna be for paid work, you might be in a little bit of trouble. But you're like, wait a second, Yeager, I'm getting paid, what's the problem? That's the thing, dream job still has job in the title. So if it's attached to the stress of having to fulfill client needs, if you're trying to be a really good photographer and fulfill client needs, that's gonna be attached every time you shoot. The flip side is, if you're not working as much as you wanna be, you might start to develop a little bit of resentment that the jobs aren't coming in, and you're not shooting anything at all for fun, which was probably the reason a lot of people picked up the camera. I would say over 95%. I know there's some who were like, no, I just want to get paid, and that's fine too. Live your life. When doing things that works for you to get paid, it can kind of stifle the creativity and limit your ability to grow, but you must keep photography fun and challenging and creative to you, yourself. You should indeed be your number one biggest audience for your work. Number one, two reason maybe not charge for your photography is it's your first wedding gig. However, just that first wedding, that second one, just no go. Weddings are way too stressful to do for absolutely free. And don't be fooled if anybody tells you there's only gonna be 4 people there. Smaller weddings can tend to be some of the most stressful gigs. So recap number 2, past that first wedding, I wouldn't really shoot for free with photo and definitely not with video either. Number 3 is gonna piggyback off of weddings. Styled shoots are a reason to shoot for free. You can get brides together, grooms together, people who just married who want another reason to dress up, especially brides in those wedding dresses. You can get venues together, you can get florists together, makeup, hair people together, all come together to do a style shoot. And what is a style shoot? You style the shoot to get photos for your portfolio. If you're going to a new area, you can go to venues and hook up with them, show that you've shot the venue before, that you know exactly what you're doing in this place, you know all the cool spots around an area. Another thing about on a wedding day, you just simply might not have time to do all these stylistic shots and set up colorful lights, throw raindrops around off of water hoses. There just simply isn't time of the day when doing actual weddings. So this is where style shoots will give you time to work on, perfect some techniques, learn a few more things by happy accident. Style shoots are absolutely some of the best things that you can do. Swing by YeagerShots.com and check out our new photo, video, and channel related apparel, just like this Renegade shirt that I'm rocking right now. A general rule to go by is if it's a good exchange, whether that be cash or actual good experience, a chance to maybe travel someplace exotic that you normally wouldn't get to go to, or even better, what if it was some type of charity work to bring attention to maybe homeless situations in your city and gentrification, a project that can be just a little bit bigger than just you personally, that can really affect people in a positive way. Those are really great reasons to shoot. Not necessarily be like, pay me, pay me, pay me, but definitely that has a little bit more substance to it when you go to pick up your camera. YeagerShots.com is the house that models built. No question about it. I'm forever indebted to each and every one of these ladies that I refer to affectionately as the shot callers. Why? Because they definitely call the shots, and they're quite fantastic at what they do. Something I've done in the past is I've known they're trying to get model work. I have been their biggest PR personal cheerleader on Instagram and on social media, promoting their photos almost daily with tags to modeling agencies and just hashtag model around towns and areas. And let me know when you might not charge for some photo work. And if you agree with any of these examples, hit me up down there in the comment section and subscribe and never miss a shot from YeagerShots.com.